Sandeep. How are you, Sandeep? How are you? You're fine. Hi, Shino. How are you? Good? Oh my God. How's your duty? Tomorrow mo your morning? Okay, see you tomorrow. 9 o'clock tomorrow. See you. Hi, Catherine. How are you? How are you, Catherine? Popo girl. How are you?
Anong binili niyo?
Sige.
Frutas, ang mura.
How much is that? How much the fruits?
9 dirham.
9 dirham is the fruits. Okay, thank you. Hello, guys. How are you, guys? How are you? How are you, Lian? Lian, how are you? What did you buy? Fish? Fishy. I smell something's fishy. Hello, Jericho. How much, Jericho?
3 dirhams and 25 pills.
3 dirham and 25 pills. What is that, Jericho? Synthol soap. Okay. Okay, guys. Good night.